In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlinks in Canva and add clickable links in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to send people to a website, product page, form, social profile, or any other URL directly from your Canva design. Whether you're creating a presentation, a lead magnet, an ebook, a flyer, or a social media graphic, adding links can make your design much more interactive and professional. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to work on. You can choose any project, whether it's a presentation, poster, document, or even a social media post. Once your design is open, take a moment to find the piece of content you want to make clickable. This could be a block of text, a button, an icon, or another design element. Next, select the text, button, or element that you want to turn into a hyperlink. You want to make sure the exact element is highlighted because Canva will attach the link to whatever you select here. If you want a button to be clickable, click directly on that button. If you want text to link out, highlight the specific words you want people to click. Now, right-click on the selected text or element. A menu will appear, and from there you want to click the link option, usually shown with a little chain icon. This is the step that opens Canva's link settings so you can connect your design element to a URL. Once the link box appears, enter the full URL you want to use. Make sure the link is correct and complete, including the HTTPS part if needed. This is important because a typo in the link can send people to the wrong page or make the link not work at all. You can paste in a website, a landing page, a Google form, a YouTube video, or any other valid link. After you enter the URL, press enter or click apply, depending on what Canva shows on your screen. That saves the hyperlink to your selected text or element. At this point, your Canva item should now be linked and ready for anyone viewing the design digitally to click through. If you want to test it, you can usually preview the design and click the linked element to make sure it opens the correct page. This is always a smart final check, especially if you're sharing the design with clients, customers, or an audience. Testing helps you confirm that the hyperlink is working exactly the way you intended. And that's it. You've just learned how to insert hyperlinks in Canva and add clickable links to your design. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how useful your Canva projects are. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.